Hi, we're going to go through all the IA prompts and explain them one by one and 5 by 5 because I divided into 7 lessons. So prompts 1 to 5, let's start. Number 1, what counts as knowledge? You're going to answer what is knowledge and what is not. Also, what counts as knowledge sometimes can be referred to the ancient knowledge that was refused by modern knowledge or colonization. But basically, what is knowledge and what is not? And of course, when you want to choose some objects for this prompt, first of all, you need to choose the theme. For example, the core theme. All the themes match for this. It's a good fit to all the themes, 6 of them. And the objects that you're going to, let's say you choose the theme of knowledge and technology, and you want to say what is knowledge in technology and what is not. So you may want to choose one technological device and explain what counts as knowledge. If you are able to use mobile phones, is it considered as knowledge? Does it count as knowledge or not? Basically, that's about it. And as I told you before, I'm not going to tell you all the answers and what to do, what not to do. It's just for you to become more familiar with the prompts. Number 2, are some types of knowledge more useful than others? First of all, you need to understand and then explain what is useful. What do we mean by useful? And then useful for whom? For an individual or for society? Then considering all these things, we can answer and choose objects for, are some types of knowledge more useful than others, or no, all the types of knowledge are useful. And if you choose some, of course you're going to choose some theme, but if you choose theme of, let's say, knowledge and religion, and then maybe you have a lot of objects to choose and you can show some knowledge is not useful, it is just mandatory. Some knowledge is useful too. Prompt number 3, what features of knowledge have an impact on its reliability? We discussed in the first unit about knowledge and knower and everything about knowledge in general, the fundamentals of knowledge, how to validate knowledge. So, age of knowledge, is it a recent knowledge or an ancient knowledge? And what or who is the source? Is it something specific or is it just very common or trendy? And about validation. So this prompt is all about these features. So what features of knowledge have an impact on its reliability? So you're going to discuss what features have impact on reliability, what features not, but how can you implement it in your exhibition? Again, you choose one theme and then any knowledge that you can choose based on any theme can be reliable or not. So this is a knowledge, and we have, let's say, in technology, we need to rely on many things. And there's a knowledge that we need to rely on that knowledge in order to advance technology. So what makes it reliable? Then you bring some item, then you bring some object that and a backstory of that object that there was knowledge and the feature, like source of knowledge, made it reliable and scientists use that, or in daily life. I hope you're getting a better picture. Number 4, on what grounds might we doubt a claim? So again, we talked about in the first unit about truth, evidence, and how to validate the source. So on what grounds might we doubt a claim someone claims of having knowledge? The first thing that comes to my mind is religion. Because in religion, first, in some religions, we can have a doubt. In some religions, there is no doubt. It's just based on belief. So on what grounds might we doubt a claim? And you can choose different objects from different religions, or anything that you use. You can use technology, you can use politics. In politics you can find everyone claiming something, and it is hard to accept it. First, you should have doubts all the time about what politicians claim. Number 5, what counts as good evidence for a claim? So regardless of the source, I mean, someone is claiming something. Okay. Are they reliable? No. A figure of authority or no? Regardless of that, what do they present? What is the claim that they present? So what counts as good evidence for a claim? So you want to have a knowledge claim, and this knowledge claim can be expressed through a tweet. So you have that tweet as an object, and then there's a knowledge claim in it. So there is a claim, any kind of claim that Donald Trump claims of knowing something. Then is there any evidence that they say this evidence is good? No. That's what you're going to discuss in your exhibition. So next lesson, we're going to go through prompts 6 to 10.